chairs, and esteemed delegates. The delegation of South Korea is delighted to be in this prestigious conference to discuss and solve the significant problem of the world. As all we know, Syria's situation is one of the biggest problems in the world, and we think that we must find solutions to this problem. But despite the armistice, on the date of 7th March was stated that armistice had violated 312 times, and on the 8th March, casualties reached 135. Also before the armistice, a lot of people had died because of this war. And we believe that nobody wants to lose more and more innocent people. So, South Korea offers all delegates to establish a wide coalition in order to get to root to this endless war and avoid losing more people. Also, tackle the refugees problem. We believe that if we have a stronger coalition to destroy terrorist groups and to stop this war, we can save innocent people and get to root